All right, and welcome back. So today we are on day 3 of trading this combine, and yeah, got in a little earlier today. It's 10 o'clock, 10:30 roughly. Gonna be getting there, so we're gonna kind of see where everything's at. We have had some news this morning, and I'm gonna kind of see like how the market reacted to this news. I don't really try and ever play the news, but I do like to see what happens afterwards. Just looking from the charts here, I mean, I can see we're on a rally to the top right now, and it looks like we've been in some type of consolidation here on our magnified view of this 500 tick chart. So we're going to be doing the same thing we always do. We're just going to try and find like a zone that we are going to look to be breaking in and out of, and kind of just go through some maybe some time frames, see what we see, any support resistance areas, anything that looks good that we might want to take a trade off of. Like I said yesterday, I don't really like trading on Fridays, but yeah, here we are. I think maybe because I'm trying to make videos, I'm kind of looking for a trade today. If not, I'd be okay kind of just sitting on my hands waiting until next week. But if you look at these like this Kelter channel, looks like we are a little bit oversold. Um, we've been kind of oversold a little bit. Like maybe we've kind of been on the buy side overnight, things like that. Check that out. Let's see. So this area here looks like we are just topping down 19,257 to roughly the high here 19,291. Get out the trusty range box and gonna go something like that. Kind of puts us in our zone here. This is kind of our zone that we see here. We could probably, let's move this down a little bit. We get in, I'd actually say it's safe to be maybe somewhere right here. It's Friday. Don't get caught up in a wick. You know what I mean? Wick will stop you out. So yeah, back to the boring trading, and we're just gonna see what we can come up with here. We're gonna wait. 291. Let's see what we got up here. 291. We got. I mean, we got a lot of big orders to kind of go through. I can see a lot trading through here. Little algo or something keeps popping these orders through 49, 47, kind of shifting things around, maybe trying to pull this price up higher. I don't really see anything in striking zone that's really catching my eye. Down below, we have this 262 area that was just trading right here, that they're trying to move the trades around and get some stuff. So kind of equal to both sides right now, honestly. Get some heavier lots here. Yeah, I mean, kind of got to sit on our hands right now. It's all right though. Just open up the trading book. I'm in 4 days, not 40, 4 minutes in, and it's okay if we don't see anything. We don't always need a trade right away. Everyone, I think gets trade happy and just wants to click into trades and see what's going on. But yeah, just take it easy. What do we got on a 15-minute? Look at these big wicks. Scary day. I don't like the big wicks. I'll do this over here. 1 hour. Yeah, very indecisive candlestick body here. A little doji candle forming. On the 1 hour, yeah, it really looks like, if anything, we just had this nice little run up. That might have been the trade right there. for the day. That I catching maybe something inside of there. Overall, this is the daily. We've been on this downtrend. Little consolidation here, and a little consolidation here, and moving back down. So a little gap, seems like a little gap fill or something there. I mean, I wouldn't put it past me to say maybe looking into next week we go down a little bit. Like say we stay up here. I'd want to get into this maybe consolidation zone and find like, I don't know. Let's just say we have this little area here, here, and kind of like that. So I'd say maybe like we see something like this. It comes down there next week at some point, and then maybe I could catch something back up. Like just looking for downward movement, still catching this downtrend, and then we start seeing ourselves move back up. So yeah, maybe that's kind of like what we're looking at. This is just a consolidation today. We're getting into that of what we were at. We're at, like I said, consolidation here and here, and maybe we might kind of consolidate just here today, and then we'll have this move down and then back up. So yeah, we'll see. Looks like we're trying to break a little high here. Doesn't look like I was overnight. What was it? Yeah. So yeah, we'll see what this does. Let's see if this holds these like 92s. We'll see. Tough to say right now. Don't really have anything here. What do we got? 300s maybe. See if we could sell off these 300s. I'm willing to try a little something off these 300s here. A little pullback. Maybe someone's already, guys are covering, like just taking little scalps. This is a scalper's day. Like I said, definitely wouldn't want to take a long here. I wasn't looking for a breakout long. Buying here might be okay. Like here, actually, maybe here might be looking like a buy, like just to get a better price than over here. It got a little lower. You know what I might try? I might try a market. Oh, I got a bad fill. A market buy to get to there to sell it, but I'm going to take that off. I didn't like that fill. I was trying to get that fill down here. So I was trying to take a fill down here to get it to come back up to that limit. I flattened out of that position. So yeah, that's all I was trying to do. I kind of liked this kind of area down here of this little like part of the price action where they're having a little problems kind of figuring out where price is going. So I was like, yeah, that's a good little scalp to take a little reversal off there, but I didn't quite just get it. Right when I clicked into it, it already jumped it here, so it's all right. And rule of thumb, if it's that like bouncing, I mean, this is a rule of thumb for me. If it's bouncing like that, I just get out of it. I don't like the way that it kind of just like hopped so quickly. and just bouncing around. That's why I didn't just re-enter right now at this. Like a lot of people be like, "Oh, I'll try it again and get that better fill." I don't. You see, it still has some pressure to the downside here. Um, it's just more risk. It's just I don't know. You have the risk of it just flushing back down because we have this range from the top to the bottom here. Nothing's saying that it's not going to go all the way back down here. So if you click in here and go there, I mean, you're going to get kind of chopped up pretty quick. So this trade here seems a little safer to me, if anything, because we have been topping off the tops here, and this is kind of more of like the high right now. So if it does get to there, I could see another rejection like this off of these 300s. Going back over here, we have 300s. Yeah, 58 lot at 300s. Yeah, I could see this rejecting a little bit and then retesting down here and then moving up. We do have a 53 at 306, which is a little worrisome, but we'll just have to monitor this trade and just go for another scalp. That's basically all we could really do. Like I said, today's like a really just a scalpy day, I think. Take money or see money, take money type of thing, especially for me coming into here late. I missed a move. If I was in here earlier and this was like, say, a big range here, and we got this breakout, this was the move. Now we're in consolidation again, and I don't know if we're just going to catch another move out. So my guess is like maybe just tries a little bit, and then we get back down to this consolidation or this area here, consolidation. It's Friday. We could check the volume. You could see from earlier this morning how much volume we had in this big area here. We've really just teetered off. It's Friday. A lot of people are leaving for the weekend. So, yeah, I mean, if anything, I'm just going to take it really light with the trading. Don't want to give the market a lot on a Friday. That's for sure. Nothing worse than giving the market back a lot of money on a Friday. So this is what I'm saying. This is why you don't kind of re-enter. It might be testing the bottom of this range again. Do we take another long down here? Maybe. Maybe I take a stab at just like, one contract long. Not sure. I kind of want to see what it does. Okay, we're pushing. We push down into that. That is pushing here. This is the 40. That was 45s. So 32s. I say we buy these 32s and just catch a quick scalp to the top side again. Let's see if we can grab it. I'm okay there. It's just, like I said, it's dancing too much. So I don't think we're getting up here, to say the least. I think we're going back down into this consolidation area. Maybe right here. Another good spot. 211. Take a long here. Try and scalp another little piece out of this. We'll see. Let's see if we get the bounce. No. Didn't get the bounce. This is really rolling over hard right now. We get the bounce here. This is looking better. I'm gonna go in one more. Playing for it here. Yeah. Not getting good fills. This is just dancing too much. I was looking for it to just pop back up in this consolidation again. But man, this is rolling over really heavy. I don't play well in these scenarios. Most people will be like, why? You just click into it and take it short. Just go with it. I don't do well with it for whatever reason. My mind says, hey, this is just going to rocket back up. Why is it going to keep going lower? I don't even know what's causing this sell-off right now, which is kind of crazy. But man, that was a great move to the downside there. Uh, yeah, we have a lot of consolidation here. And you can see how easy it is to get kind of chopped up in this stuff. We were up, I think, a couple $100, and we were down a couple $100. Now we're kind of break even pretty much. Yeah, so I don't like the look of how this was going. I kind of knew it going into this. Gotta stay patient here though. See what it does. Looks like it wants to break lower. Getting into this consolidation area here. What do we got down here? And it's thin. That was an incredible move. Let's see if there's any news that caused this. I don't see much. Man, these are big. This is a big movement. It's moving fast. Dare I say we make a make a range here? See if we get out of this. Pop back up into here. I took it. That's a bad one. That one wasn't nice. How far is this move gonna go? Let's try and get into this. Come on. Little break to VWAP, imagine. On a 2-lot. That would be pretty sweet right now. Come on. Let's break down below. There you go. Sweet. Nice movement. Big push here. Nice big push. Let's see if we try it one more time. There we go. Nice. That's what I was looking for. So, like I said, I saw this kind of forming up. I made this, like, this is the same play we have normally with these moves. I don't get this much of, say, a consolidation area. So that's why I played this. That's why I risked on this one, just to see what it was doing. And yeah, I mean, it could have broke higher, could have broke back into here. I mean, it's trying, but I just saw that we're so close to VWAP. Maybe we'd get a push right here to VWAP. That's all I was looking for on this trade that I just took. But yeah, like every day we've been going so far, 445. It's a good day's pay. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling like I'm in the pocket today. We're 18 minutes in it, and I'm just not feeling this market on a Friday. So, like always, we're a little more than halfway to passing a combine now. I'm walking it up. Man, we walked out. Short day today, and I am gonna go home knowing that 445 on this choppy market on a Friday was profitable, and yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy knowing that I was profitable today. So yeah, Monday, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to make a video on Monday. I'm pretty busy with things on Monday, but Tuesday I should be able to get back into the office in front of my trading desk, and I will see you there. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit of just this like movement of what I'm always looking for, these little breakout zones, 500 tick chart, 5-minute chart, see what the trends are doing, things like that. I still don't know what caused this big sell-off right now, news-wise, whatever. I have no idea. A lot of times I don't find out till after. I just kind of play what the market gives me, like I did here. I have no time to check the news to see what's going on. I just knew that it was, I would try and break couple little price points and made a couple little losses back that put me in a good position to find this move and play a little breakout. Same thing here. We're consolidating pretty hard right here. So technically you probably could make a zone out of this play or something like that. Maybe somewhere around there. Actually, I'd say probably around there. And then play something off of that. But yeah, I'm not gonna risk anymore for the day. If you guys like this video, you know how it goes. Do all the things, like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.